Senior cop from Portland bigs up all Informers.
You know what nobody call you an Informa, but you see me very proud Informa. When I do it for myself, but for Jamaica.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
The Jamaica Constabulary Forces Head of Operations in Portland, Deputy Superintendent of Police Troyville Haughton, has used his creative skills as a DJ to appeal to citizens to pass on information about criminal activities to the police. His stance is counter to the now long-standing call for Informa for Dead, a virtual anthem among some dancehall DJs who widely reflect musically the sentiments of many criminals and their supporters within the society. With style, confidence, personality, and well put together lyrics, the senior cop, who bemoaned the destruction that is caused by a crime within the society, bragged that he is a proud informer. He also underscored the need for criminals to be punished for their illegal actions.
So that's right there. Me have a DJ about the thing where everybody afraid of. As far as me know, long as me remember, if you're born and you grew up in Jamaica, you don't want nobody call you an informer, but you see me very proud informer. When I do it for myself, but for Jamaica. Informer, we have to make the sacrifice to make the police safer. Troyville is a proud informer. We have a number for the sergeant, inspector. Me must be an informer. If we can't get this out, we call commissioner. We are informer because we not support the crime. If you do the crime, do the time, pay the fine. Crime is mashing up this country and we acting like a blind. Should have put a stop into this thing long time. So if we see a boy with a special or a 9, go up on my phone, dial 119. Now give the operator all information in face, color, clothes, in full complexion, and put the icing on the cake in GPS location. You stay on the phone till the police they reach. The civic duty, me see that. Me I pray some talking to the parents and the kids in the teach. Trap on the criminals, them coming like leech. You know all long but one go night beach, but we can't touch the road because too much gunshot a week. Every night in my house through the grill, me have to keep it out. We just vex, you know.
In 2019, the parish of Portland recorded 10 murders, 5 less than the 15 that were recorded the previous year, making them the parish with the lowest number of murders across the country.
Deputy Superintendent of Police, Mr. Troyville Haughton, thank you very much, sir, for this very informal interview.
Love Portland, love the people. And we're going to be out there on the streets tonight, ensuring that you're safe into the new year. And we're looking forward to a much better, much more peaceful, much more interactive year. JCM and Force for Good Portland. Police officers saying, big up.
We got.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.